Entrepreneurship, it's not for the weak, but here's how to survive. The emotional roller coaster for business and content creation is really about embracing your emotion. As a result, we don't get it right away, and therefore we are unmotivated. I want to encourage you that even in the forefront, you may not see the work, but as long as you're taking small steps day by day to create your content and whatever product you have to offer out here, or even YouTube, in fact, you may be creating videos each and every day and you are not getting the views that you are expecting. It's okay. You got to give the algorithm time for it to categorize your content. And also for those who are prospecting, you have to give it some time. But when you are unmotivated and you're not producing, you are slowing up and delaying your process. So I want to encourage you, control and embrace your emotion. Another thing I want to encourage you is pivoting your purpose. Sometimes when things aren't working out to your expectation, you just have to move on and try other things. Learn to be creative, try different tactics, strategy, and see what works. And whatever is working, you go back and you check to see what is working and you can replicate it. For what is not working, you may have to put that to the side. But what is working, you want to prioritize that. But you always have to pivot your purpose, because at the end of the day, we want to make sure that we are striving. Never forget your why. I want to encourage you why patient and persistent pays off. Well, success is not an overnight process, so you must be patient in the process. Whatever failure happened, it's really not a failure. You're taking some time to learn, and you can evaluate, assess, and see what you're able to improve over time. Success takes time, and at the end of the day, give yourself some time. Be patient with your process. Be patient with learning in your university on how to thrive, how to keep your business flowing, as well as if you're not doing entrepreneurship, YouTube is one that can eventually turn into a business. And as content creation is growing rapidly, eventually it will turn into a business as long as you don't give up. But I want to encourage you today that no matter what, hold on, your time is coming. You will continue to thrive if you never give up and just have patience with yourself. At the end of the day, just give yourself some grace.